Hey, how's it going? Didn't see me there, eh? Kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman here. Kia ora folks, RDB, your local Bushman here. What I thought I'd do today is, basically this is just a poll or survey type of video. What I'd like to know from my audience is, would you guys prefer a live stream of gear reviews? Now the items that I would like to review that I'm ready, there's actually a few more. I've actually got quite a bit to review at the moment. All these items, as I mentioned before, I have used personally for 6 months or more. So that's actual days and days counted up, that equals to 6 months of actually using that product. The Compodel Explorer contours, okay, these aluminiums, I can review these. Check them out, they're pretty nice poles. Xped, Cinmat Ultra Light, UL Light M, sorry. So I can review that. That can be reviewed. On the DD hammocks range, we have got the DD poncho. There we go. DD poncho, okay. DD super light. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. DD super light tarp. This is the 2.9x3 Coyote Brown. I can review not one, not two, but 3 different types of ARN products. For those folks that don't know, okay, ARN is a Kiwi brand of backpacks and body packs balance systems, okay? Very unusual. You won't see them all the time around the world. Now, what I have got here is the, let's see if we can find it, Expedition Large. These are the Expedition Large balance bags. Okay. They usually would sit like this, up your front, on your torso, okay? We got those. Now, there are universal types of these ARN balance bags. This is not them. This is specifically for the ARN packs themselves, okay? So I've got that. I've got basically the Sports Regular, okay, which is the same design, just smaller. These are 9 litres each boob bag, as I call them. Each balance pocket is 9 litres each. The Sports Regulars are 6 litres each, so they're 12 litres total. This is 18. This is built for like polar expeditions and stuff like that. The ARN Peak Aspiration. The ARN, one of the greatest packs around. Bomb-proof but light. Very weird, very weird. If you're not used to biomechanics on a backpack, this is going to feel extremely weird for you guys. So it's pretty weird. So yeah, this is the Peak Aspiration Large. Okay, I used this, as you guys seen from some of my Bushman's trail book. This was used on my Teodoro through hike. This year I'm not using it because, as I mentioned before, I'm trail running, so slightly different thing to go by. But yeah, basically, and there's a few other items around in my gear lock and all over the place. What I'd like to know from you guys is, would you guys prefer a live or just separate gear reviews? Now, the reason why I'm asking is, if you guys would like a live video review, is the reason why is because you might have questions. I might not be able to fulfill all the answers you may potentially question in a separate gear video review video. I just thought of that before. Actually, when I was doing my Friday night trail run, I was thinking, if I'd done separate gear review videos, what happens if you guys might ask a question and I can only answer it back? It would be easier to do it on a live gear review video. So let me know, folks, if you guys would like a live gear review video, okay? It wouldn't be a regular thing, maybe once every month, once every 2 months. As I mentioned before, I don't just use a piece of gear for like a week and say, oh, I can give a review. That to me is, you notice, okay, so 6 months, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm struggling for words here, but basically 6 months. The reason why you want 6 months for me personally is you find the pros and cons, and then of the item. So you might think, okay, it's light, but oh, you know, it might be a slightly different frame, or the material might be a bit thinner. after 6 months, you notice subtle nuances with the products. You might find the backpack might have an extra pocket or feature that might not be recommended by the manufacturer to do. So that's why I thought 6 months is a great time period. It gives people an accurate feedback of maybe a one person, but it can give you all the features, the use, how each individual piece and fits into that piece of kit, etc. So I thought 6 month review, that'll be perfect. As I've said, I've got several items here to review. Yeah, this is basically a feedback video. Would you guys like the live video review or the normal gear review videos? Now, the normal gear review videos, as I said, I could do that. That could be great. But I thought it would be too generic. I thought it would be like, oh, you know, let's say, for example, like this is just, don't quote me on this, but this is just an example piece here, like, oh, kia ora folks, RDB, you like a Bushman here. What we have is on Expedition large balance pockets, blah, blah, blah. And then I could read you a whole bunch of specs, and really that's pointless, eh? From an end user, that's just meaningless numbers. That doesn't actually constitute to a real life performance. Does that function for what it's supposed to do, given its market, given its price? You know, and doing a 6 month review will make you realize the pros and cons of using it day in day for regular outdoor activities. Might be tramping, trekking, hiking, camping, could be archery, whatever. You start to realize the potential of that product, the pros, the cons, and also the subtle nuances. There's a lot of subtle nuances, in particular with backpacks that I've noticed myself, things and features the manufacturer would not think of. Okay, so 6 months, yeah, that would do. From this year onwards, I'm trying to drive home that community of, you know, you guys might have a question, particularly about ARM products. Seriously, besides retailers, I don't think there is anybody else on YouTube land that has used more ARM products than myself. I'm not gloating about it, I'm not bloating about it, but I've looked around, asked, seen, no one has used as many ARM products as I have had currently, and I've paid for each and every one. And B, they're freaking expensive, eh? Freaking expensive. Are they worth it? Oh, that's a long story, but I've had 3 backpacks so far. Might get in one maybe next year, we'll see what happens, but I'm on a different system, as you guys know, for my trail run. I'm on the OM system, Original Mountain Marathon system. Similar body pack type thing, so I've got a front pouch here, but yeah, slightly different. Now, I previously, before this backpack, I had the guiding light. I will try to put a picture around there somewhere. I can give a review on that based on my experience, but I don't personally have that product because I've sold that to a Theodore Walker from last year, before I started, way before he started. So I sold that before to downsize to this one. So I can give you a review on the ARM Guiding Light, the ARM Peak Expiration, this one, and I can give you a review on ARM Mountain Magic 42. So I've had 3 ARM backpacks, plus 2 different types of ARM balance bag systems. The ARM Expedition Large and the ARM Sport Regular. The Sport Regular is the regular size of this, basically. It's not the largest version. Basically, let me know, folks, what you guys would like. Live gear review video. It might be a regular thing, it might not be, as I've said. I just thought it might give you all a chance. Time, now the time for this, I have no idea. I'm going to have to do a poll and ask you all guys, let's say a good average time for everyone to tune in so they can catch information on whether they want to, considering upgrading to a Exped product like an Exped UL Light M sleeping mat, or these Compodels, or those Compodels. Those are the C3 carbon Compodel trekking poles, or the DD Hammocks products. So I've had 3 DD Hammocks products, 4 DD Hammocks products so far. I had an Aqua Quest tarp, which I did sell as well. So yeah, it's just basically, let me know, guys, what you guys would like. Not bothered either way. I would prefer to do it live because I can answer people's questions easier and faster and more convenient for them, or if they have a specific question about a product in a certain niche or a certain feature, I can answer that directly. I just thought that might be easier. So thank you folks for watching. Ka kite anō, blessed trails, and I'll catch you guys really soon. See you later.